this video, I'm going to show you the website that I built for cs50w for project 0. So, in this project, I'm supposed to build like a website that fulfill some of the requirements in the descriptions. So, some of the requirements include I need to have a picture. I need to have 4 different HTML files. So right now I am on index.html, and this one is on programming.html, and this one is like on fun.html, and this is like on contact.html. And another requirement is I also need to have like a hyperlink that allow me like to jump to all of those like 4 files. And second, they want us to use a list. So I utilize lists in this page. So as you can see, this is a unordered list. I use some bootstrap on that to make it kind of look like a table. So basically this is just like a list, like each table is a list. And what else? And they also want us to use a table. So this is the table that I use. This is also a bootstrap as well, bootstrap table. And the other requirement is I require to use like CSS property, 5 different CSS property. So I use a lot of CSS property over here, like to change color, to remove the styling of the hyperlink, and for medium query. And they also want us to use like media query. So media query is whenever like the size of the website is going smaller, it will change color of the background. As you can see right here. What else? Oh, and also they also want us to use like bootstrap grid system. So this is like the grid system. I created a grid system that have like the same amount of size. So this is like 6, 6, and this is 6, 6 as well. And they also want us like to use a SAS, but it's hard like to show here. SAS is basically just like a program that built on top of CSS, so it's allow you like to develop like CSS like faster. So you can like write your program, your style in SAS, and then you can like compile it into like CSS. So in SAS, like there is a concept like variable that you can make so that every time you want to change something, like I feel like change it on all over the places. Comparing to like CSS, you have like to go to like each place and change it. So that's like the benefits of SAS. So that's about it. Thanks.